Hey guys, as promised, Quadcopter here, about to blow things up with the Orange Crush 4-inch plastic quad build. I'm gonna fly it on 4S first for a couple. Well, that is if it doesn't break. And then I'm gonna try 6S on it. Maybe we'll try 6S on it if it's still working, with probably a 20% throttle cut. Try to make it a little bit safer, but we will see how it goes. I tried flying it the other day, just hovering in my house with a different frame that did not have these struts on the sides, and literally broke off right in the center. So the durability factor is something I'm concerned with, but we will see what happens with the new reinforcements. And I also have another frame that I've also this is all from Dave FPV or CPV, that's on the Thingiverse. This is his original build, but I just added to it. So I have another one that I'm building at home that has more reinforcements right at the motor. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna fly, guys, and yeah, hopefully I have some decent results. All right, that's all I got. So let's blow things up. Quadcopter, sign out. Guys, Sky 2 Quaddy here. Just got done flying the Plastic build. Like I said, this is Dave CPV or CRV, I forgot his last name, Thingiverse creation with the original 4 arms. I added on these struts out the side, and I also thickened out the front where I had my version 1 broke on me the other day. Right around this area just broke out, so I put the struts here and here, but I made it thicker, and I also put some hot glue in the front. Didn't hurt. But yeah, flew it. Tried to do it on I did it successfully on 4S, and after checking the motors after a few flights, I just knew there's no way in hell it's going to survive 6S. The motors are getting extremely hot, even with a 20% throttle cut, and this motor here I think is about to go out because it took a little bit of time to spool up and catch up with the rest of the motors before I could actually fly it. So that's a sign right there that there's going to be some issues in the long run flying this even more with 4S. So I do have some backup 6S motors, the Zing 6S 1507 2900 kVs. So I'll either be slapping it on this or putting it on the X-Night frame that I have in. So my final thoughts with this PLA plus plastic. I took a lot of spills today, as you can see. This is no joke. It's not like I flew really light. Had some fail safes, crashed, and the frame stood up. So yeah, so the only thing that I can think of is, if you're going to do this build, if you want my Thingiverse version of Dave C's frame, just ping me, or I can assist, and I can just go ahead and email you my my mold for it, or whatever you want to call it, STP or X, whatever. But yeah, it held up. Now I'm kind of regretting buying all those all my carbon fiber frames, knowing that this PLA Plus can hold up in this type of environment. Now, do I recommend flying this in, say, garages or asphalt? You'll probably destroy it, but out in the field like this, cruising around, speeding, you shouldn't have many issues. And worst case scenario, just print another one. By the time you get home, just have about 4 or 5 of these as backup and you're good to go. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoy the flight. Oh, you will notice some jello towards the end of the videos, because this prop, after a few crashes, bent, and I forgot to take my prop nut tool with me, so I just bent the props, and yeah, did not turn out very well as far as the footage. Just started getting a lot of noise in the video feed. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for now. Sky 2 Quaddy, signing out.